Mind mapping is a great way to organize your thoughts, especially when you're starting out on something new. Whether you're writing a blog or building an app, a mind map can help you outline your ideas and think with your team. With this app, you can use the mind map view to generate ideas, and with the click of a button, turn these ideas into work items. Before building this app, we made a mind map to kickstart our project. Let's show you how you can do the same within Monday.com. First, we create a new board. Then, we add the mind map view. Our team's goal is to win the Monday contest. So first, we need to decide what to build. Next, we need to think how do we build this app. Then, we want to brainstorm on how to make the video awesome. Now that we have an outline of what to think, it's time to dig deeper. We want to make something useful that does not already exist. So first, we'll check the community for any customer requests. We'll also check the idea wish list that was shared with us. Then, we shortlist and select one of these ideas. To build the app, we make a sample app using the Monday framework. Then, we list out all the features that we need to build in our app. Once we have this list, we need to build these features into our app. For our video, first we need to write a script and then record the audio. Once we have the audio, we need to record our screen while using the app. There, you have a nice mind map outlining the project. As you can see, some notes are ideas and some are action items. We can push action items into the main table using this button. There you go. Our tasks are now visible on the main table view and ready for our team to get started. As we make progress, we can click on this icon to see and update task details. You can create multiple mind maps on one board. For example, we could create a mind map for outlining our script and maybe another map for thinking of the features within our app. Mind mapping is a great way to align your team and share the why behind their how, what, and when. I hope you enjoy mind mapping within Monday. Happy mapping. Thank you.